Every coil begins in the earth. Raw strength is extracted. Material begins its journey. Size is reduced for control. Uniformity starts here. Supply is carefully balanced. Carbon fuels transformation. Impurities will be removed.
Chemistry is carefully prepared.
Steelmaking preparation begins.
Heat binds materials together.
Heat binds materials together. The heart of steel awakens. Liquid strength is born. Heat moves with purpose. Impurities are burned away.
Steel reaches purity.
Transcription. Shaping is about to begin.
Liquid steel meets control.
Strength begins to solidify. Temperature is carefully managed. Alignment ensures integrity.
Steel is sized for rolling.
Heat is carried forward. Steel regains balance. Identity follows every piece.
Quality is checked early.
Steel moves effortlessly. Supply waits in order. Planning controls power. Right steel, right time. Heat returns. Steel prepares to move. Uniform heat ensures flow.
Steel reaches rolling heat.
Motion is about to begin. Power lives behind these walls. Movement is carefully choreographed. Rules protect lives.
Protection precedes power.
The heart of the mill.
Meets force.
Thickness begins to fall.
Surface is purified.
Impurities are removed. Force reshapes metal.
Microns matter.
Heat remains controlled.
Precision takes over.
Final shape is set.
Edges are perfected. Cooling lock structure.
Control prevents distortion. Steel prepares to coil. Cooling gives steel its balance.
Transcription. Cleanliness reveals quality.
Moisture is removed. Human eyes still matter. Light exposes truth. Machines never blink.
Data guides decisions. Waste is managed.
Edges must endure. Dimensions are verified. Flatness ensures usability.
Imperfections are corrected.
Corrections are confirmed.
Each grade finds its route.
Identity travels with steel.
Control precedes coiling. Motion is synchronized. Steel prepares to wrap. Control starts at the core. Momentum is captured. Shape begins to form. Balance prevents defects. Edges stay disciplined. Uniform force matters. Growth is measured precisely.
Cooling lock structure.
Edges are protected. Form reaches completion. Motion is sealed. Pressure gives way. Strength is carried forward. Weight finds balance.
Quality never sleeps.
Identity is permanent.
Slowly fades.
Refinement continues. Heat gives way to structure. Time stabilizes steel. Balance is verified. Cooling completes its task. Alignment prevents damage. The core is shielded. Strength secures strength. Movement is prevented. Security is measured. Edges endure transport. Protection against time. Human judgment confirms. Traceability travels with steel. Data links production. Mass moves precisely. Steel waits calmly. Nature is kept out. Order prepares dispatch. Automation brings order to mass. Machines handle weight flawlessly. Position ensures safety. Data directs movement. Vertical space is maximized. Accuracy prevents damage. Steel becomes digital.
Visibility drives efficiency.
Demand sets machines in motion.
Response is immediate.
Intelligence prevents chaos.
Steel heads outward. And then brake lightly to insert in your cylinder. Accuracy supports logistics. Protection meets travel.
Details are rechecked.
Shipment takes shape.
Timing coordinates flow.
Final checks await. Final checks define reliability. Every millimeter is observed. Edges must endure stress. Shape defines usability. Uniformity builds confidence. Hidden forces are revealed.
Security is confirmed. The core stays protected.
Protection must last. Information must travel intact. Identity cannot be lost. Human judgment remains vital. Approval is official. Quality clears the way.
Direction is assigned.
Data authorizes movement.
Delivery waits its turn.
The journey nears completion.
Science certifies strength. Proof begins with sampling. Elements define behavior.
Carbon controls strength. Shape prepares the test.
And set simmering. And Tiv's deep sun bin wide.
Limits are measured. Performance meets standard. Resistance is quantified.
Toughness faces extremes.
Fracture reveals truth.
Structure explains strength.
Finish is measured.
Precision is confirmed.
Data becomes assurance.
Responsibility finalizes trust.
Proof travels with steel. Quality clears dispatch. Steel prepares to leave.
In transcription, steel reaches its final path.
Logistics prepare the handover.
Mass moves with control. Weight finds its place.
Balance prevents risk. Security is absolute.
Protection continues beyond the mill.
Details ensure delivery.
Integrity is locked. Steel meets the world.
Industry fuels progress. Scale demands options. Supply remains ready. Supply ain't stacks out here.
And this is how modern factories produce steel coils from start to finish.
Production never sleeps. Strength shaped by engineering. From fire to form.
Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.